you're looking for some sugar, spice, and everything nice, Bolibee has got you the perfect mix of all that's happening in B-Town. From Yami Gautam being summoned by the ED to Janhvi Kapoor and Arjun Kapoor teasing an upcoming collaboration, SRK flaunting his long locks, and more. Here are the biggest headlines of the day. One person not too impressed after arriving in India is Bahubali director S.S. Rajamouli, who took to social media to complain about the lack of proper amenities at the Delhi airport after arriving at 1 a.m. by Lufthansa flight. Rajamouli tweeted, "Dear Delhi airport, arrived at 1 a.m. by Lufthansa flight. Forms were given to fill for the RT-PCR test. All the passengers are sitting on the floors or propping against the walls to fill the forms. Not a pretty sight. Providing tables is a simple service." He further added saying, "And surprised to find so many stray dogs in the hangar outside the exit gate. Again, not a great first impression of India for the foreigners. Please look into it. Thank you." In some shocking news, Yami Gautam has been summoned by Mumbai unit of ED in a money laundering case. The actress has been asked to appear before the ED on July 7th for being allegedly involved in some FEMA violations, and it includes some foreign transactions through her bank account. Yikes. Meanwhile, moving on to some happier news, Janhvi Kapoor and Arjun Kapoor teased an upcoming collaboration on Instagram. The duo shared boomerang videos to tease their upcoming collaboration. Arjun shared the video with the caption, "What are we up to? Any guesses?" He added the hashtag, "Wait for it." Janhvi shared the video with the stickers, "Coming soon," and something exciting. Talking about what's exciting on the internet today, Shah Rukh Khan flaunted his new look in an ad film that's going viral. In the video, SRK is seen in a long-haired look and tied into a ponytail. SRK's fans can't seem to stop showering him with love in the comments. Meanwhile, in an exclusive chat with E-Times, Ronit Roy revealed that Mandira Bedi's late husband Raj Kaushal wanted him to play an important role in a web series for a popular streaming platform he was working on in Goa. Ronit said, "He told me that he wanted me to play a very important role in the series and he would need me for a brief period, though in the first part. Maybe he had a plan of inducting me in the second part largely." That's all for this week, folks. See you all on Monday.